Now I am running out of fuel in this forest. The next town is about 9 kilometers.
The ride for today, mom?
Hectic.
Hello.
Hello, mom.
Hi, friends.
Kiss. All ready, prepared, set to ride for day 2.
Wonderful ride.
Suit, boot, rain cover, don't ask. What else is left to wear? 3 layers, Musa? 3 or 4 layers?
3 layers.
3 layers of clothing. Protective gear, rain gear, clothes. All for this no rain weather as of now. Chalo. That's the highway. And this is where we stayed. There are the bikes. So, let me saddle up first.
Come on, mom. Start. It's so damn sweaty, so humid. We stayed at this place right beside the highway. Cheap, good enough for a good night's rest. Now we headed towards Mangalore. New day to explore this route now. Fully prepared to take on the monsoon today. This is a very busy road. A lot of these container trucks are moving on this. This is a road which connects to Karwar from Kanyakumari. This is the coastal trail. There is this very famous stretch on this route wherein you'll find the backwaters on the left now and the seashore on the right. The highway right in between stretches about like 1 or 2 kilometers, I don't know, we'll see that. Fresh, feels much better now once you're on the road. When you're in this gear, you always want to be on the move. You can't stay idle. So last night, as it was raining, all the cameras were down, no charge. So we ended up staying at that place late in the evening. Finally, after all the hill hoppings, multiple visits to different hill stations, I finally made it towards the seashore now.
ಸೊ ಅಂತೇನೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೂ ರೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So we are done with our beach visit for now. Time to move on. Again, same fog. Yes. Both are not going together very very so. We're moving from this beautiful place. Ready, Mom? Let's go.
Royal Enfield's authorized service center in Mangalore. It is inside some industrial area. So Yatish's bike had some trouble with the chain sprocket, so it has to be replaced. So we're lucky that it happened exactly after we reached the town. So he's given the bike, we dropped it in. So in the meantime, we'll go have lunch. We'll finish with lunch and come pick the bike. Requested them to do a job as early as possible and do the bike to us. We'll see what happens. I am going to remove the shoe that I'm wearing now. It says it is waterproof. I will show you how much waterproof it is. It's all soaking. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಚೆ ಆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಮೈ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆಟ್. ಅದು ತೋರಿಸು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸು. ಈ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಮೈ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ವೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್. That's how wet it is. This is the condition of the waterproof shoe that Royal Enfield has sold to me. Here we are at the Royal Enfield. What? Okay, just Royal Enfield, but I don't know which dealership. But yeah, we are at Royal Enfield's customer launch, and we confiscated this room for our well-being. The bikes are getting serviced there. All our gear is off. My shoe is wet. His shoe is wet. Okay. None of our rain covers are protecting us from the rain. No matter what we do, we're all getting wet. But yeah, little protection is there. We're not completely soaking.
ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಇದು ಮುಚ್ಚಿತು.
So that is the situation now. We're getting undressed in the customer lounge.
ಶೂ ಬಿಚ್ಬೇಕು.
Monsoon ride, mom. Monsoon ride will be like this. Lunch scene. White rice for me. White rice. Hey, mom. The ride for today, mom? Hectic. It's time for chai. Chana, rendu chai. Ee kadi enna? Spring roll edu? Roll onnu or appam or cutlet moonu enna? These 5 items sweet. Chai is ready. Come on, tea. All this while I recorded and nothing was Saved. Because I forgot to click the record button. Simple. Mistakes. Learning from my mistakes again and again. Tinu macha. Happy Sena. Kerala pizza. I don't know the name of it, so.
ಆಲೂಗೆಡ್ಡೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ
ಇಲ್ವಾ
ಅದೇನಿದು
ಹಾಲು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಟು ಮೀಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು
ಆಲೂಗೆಡ್ಡೆನ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಚ್ಚ ಆನಿಯನ್ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ We are somewhere. We just finished Kasaragod town. We stopped at this place for chai. Pretty nice setup we got.